So welcome. This is IBDP AAHL paper 2 TZ1 May 2022. So question number 3. He has given a probability distribution table. Now show that 2k square minus k minus 0.12 equals to 0. So what am I going to do that? We know that sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. So 0.41 plus k minus 0.28 plus 0.46 plus 0.29 minus 2k square equals to 1. So this will give me directly the answer 2k square minus k plus 0.12 equals to 0. Find the value of k giving a reason for your answer. So when I solve it out by the calculator, I'll be getting it out k value is equals to 0.2 or k equals to 0.3. So if I take k equals to 0.2 is rejected. Why do I reject it out k equal to 0.2? Because 0.2 minus 0.28 will be less than 0. 0.2 minus 0.28 will be less than 0 because all the probability should be always positive and it cannot be negative. So therefore that is rejected. So only the answer is going to be nothing but how much? K equals to 0.3. Hence find the expected value of x. Now the expected value of x will become sigma x probability of x. So multiply the x with the probability and add them. So 0 times 0.41, then plus 1 times x value is 0.3, 0.3 minus 0.28 plus 2 times 0.46, then plus 3 times 0.29 minus 0.3 times 2. Simplify that, you should be able to get 1.27 as an answer. Question number 4. A particle moves along a straight line so that its velocity v meters per second after t seconds is given. Find the value of t when the particle is at rest. Particle is at rest means velocity should be equals to 0. So e power sine t plus 4 sine t equals to 0. Use a GDC, you should be getting t equals to 3.35. Find the acceleration of the particle when it changes the direction. So when it will change the direction, it will change the direction when v equals to 0, means t equals to 3.35. Plug in that one and get the value of acceleration. So find the derivative of this one. Acceleration is, you can use a calculator directly, e power sine t derivative is cosine t, then plus 4 cosine t. Now plug in the t value over here as 3.35. You should be getting that answer as negative 4.71 meter per second square. Find the total distance traveled by the particle. So total distance traveled by the particle is from 0 to 3.35. Integration of 0.0 to 3.35 e power sine t plus 4 sine t dt. But again, when you are taking over here, you should be taking the full calculator display rather than 3.35. You should be taking total full calculator display as 3.34, 692 and so on. Then only you will be getting the exact answer. Use the calculator, as such calculator is allowed. Directly you can use the calculator, then that is 0 to 3.35, but again I have up to 6 seconds. So again from 3.35 to 6 seconds it is going in the backward direction. So therefore 3.34692 till 6 seconds you have to subtract it out because it is going in the opposite direction. It stops and it goes in the opposite direction. So this answer you will be finally getting it as 20.7534, which is going to be 20.8 meters, because at 3.35 seconds it stops and returns back. So that answer will be in negative, so therefore we are going to subtract it out. So basically what you will be getting it out, this answer you should be getting 14.3104 minus this answer is again negative answer, you'll be getting it out, which is minus 6.44300 and so on. So when you simplify that, your final answer should be 20.8 meters.